Good evening and welcome to the channel
Take the
again.
next right onto Brandy Place.
As you heard her say, we are going to go find some
In
healthier
1,000
eating
feet,
options.
turn right onto Smithfield Road.
Man, you talk too much. Anyway, look, as you can see, yesterday was flash flooding and now it's sunny again. See what I told you about this Texas weather? It's intense, very intense. But yeah, it's about time to start changing the eating habits, living a more healthier lifestyle. I started a new job.
Right onto Smithfield Road.
Please, I'm trying to vlog here, lady. I'm trying to start a healthier lifestyle of eating, for one thing. But I start a new job within a
In
week.
1,000 feet, turn left onto Mid-Cities Boulevard.
Sorry, in the middle of driving here. But yeah, I start a new job
Turn
next
left
week,
onto Mid-Cities Boulevard.
which is going to be day shift. No more graveyard shift, night shift. I've been working night shift now for, it's been years. So it's time to get out of that routine. It's very hard to live a healthy lifestyle working graveyard shift. For one thing, there's eating is very hard to come by unless you bring your own food. And I've never been a good person of prepping my own meals before I go to work and all that. Always procrastinate it. Don't go get groceries. Forget what groceries I got. You know, you name it. But yeah, it's about time to start getting back on track. Got to start looking good for the veggies. Looking healthier, brighter face, you know, bigger smile. All that good shit. Oh, stuff, I mean. Gotta keep it
Continue on
PG.
Mid-Cities Boulevard for 1.5 miles.
So yeah, just making a little vlog here on how things are going today. Haven't quite got to get back on the engine yet. Been working back on my schedule till Saturday, and then we'll get back on it. We'll get to do some more vidges in the garage. And, you know, I've been doing still a lot more research on what I want to do as far as the look of the truck. I haven't quite got to breaking down the engine yet for the internals to find out if I can do Vortec heads or not. That's the big key feature on if I want to throw money at that block or not. Because why throw money at a block if it's going to be so reduced in power whenever I can just save up and get a daggum LS motor? So, oh look, Michigan decal. And also you can always tell when you're in Texas near a NASCAR, because look, you see the decals for 24. Yep, NASCAR country. Good old Texas. And typical construction. Oh man, we got Evil Knievel here. He's getting at it on the GoPro. Oh yeah, there you go. Pop the wheelie, son. Pop it. Yeah. Got it, see? Perfect for the channel, man. Perfect for the channel. Whoever you are, guy, make sure and just subscribe to Driven by Gears so we can see your content. That was epic, see? This is why you drive around with your GoPro, because you can catch stuff like that. That's what makes every day freaking epic. And he didn't hurt himself either, thank God, so that was awesome. So anyway, just heading to this juice place to pick up some good liquid energy. And I think they have a bunch of fruit bowls and stuff, so. So anyway, we'll bring up some more content later on this week, and hopefully it'll be a little bit more appealing than today's video. The guy's still doing wheelies in traffic up there. So until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet. Alright, to add a little bit more to the juice place that I just came from, talk about epic people, man. They were so full of energy. They let me sample all the juices. It was awesome. I told them about the, social media feed, the Instagram page, all that. I give them shout outs, Google Guide, all that. But yeah, awesome freaking menu and place. Big, huge bottles. It's called Rejuve, R-E-J-U-V. So check them out. I'll put a link in the description below on the maps. If you live in Texas around Fort Worth, definitely check them out. Good people. Next time I go, I'll try to take the vlog into the building so y'all can check it out. It's a really small place, but awesome people. And no better thing to support somebody that's trying to make a difference in this fast food, toxic garbage that they produce nowadays. So anyway, don't get on a ramp on that. Try to keep it positive. Anyway, until next time, make sure and hit the thumbs up, subscribe, keep it simple, keep it sweet.